Hey everybody, it's Elle here from the Weet team, and I want to talk to you about how you can use Weet and video messaging to put an end to meetings and put an end to constantly chatting each other and slacking each other and being online. I assembled some facts and stats from Harvard Business Review, and I found that the average person in the United States spent 23 hours a week in meetings in 2020. That is actually up from only 10 hours a week in the 1960s. So not terribly long ago. And 71% of the people who responded, and these were founders and executive level people within organizations, they were of the opinion that most meetings are inefficient and unproductive. So what can we do about this? Enter video messaging. With tools like Weet, I can simply send a message to my recipient. They can watch it on their time, so they don't have to open it right away. There's not that sense of urgency like there is with a video meeting where you all have to be there at the same time. With video messaging, it's like email in the sense that they can answer it when they get to it. So if you're in totally different time zones, it's not a problem. And let me show you. With Weet, you can actually comment on the video, right? So, and all these are time stamped. All of your comments will be. So it is a very, very collaborative tool as well. So we hope that you have as much success as we did here at the Weet team in eliminating meetings. We only have really like one a week, and it's because we use this tool. So let us know what you think about video messaging. Thank you so much, and happy weeding, everybody.